Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new, I guess, kind of like a completion review video, but a little bit different. This is some of my artwork. So Remembrance Day is coming up. It actually might be Remembrance Day on the day that I put these out or shortly thereafter, depending on how fast I can get this out. Anyway, I have been learning how to do art, I guess is the best way to say it. So, let me just go in here and, so this is not for Remembrance Day, but this is a little Halloween thing that I did with my Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors and my Derwent Inktense pencils. So this is the box that I put in here to show you for the Winsor & Newton Cotman, because I have my paints put away. It's just like a little mini set that fits in my hand. These paints are awesome. So I did all the background, all the purples and the blues with the Winsor & Newton, and it looks beautiful. And I did all the black, the cat, the tree, and the bat with the Derwent Inktense pencils. And I think that really looks nice. And I forgot to show you this at Halloween. So anyway, just popping that in here. And then I tried for my very first time using just the Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor paints. I did this loose poppies. These are called transparent poppy flowers in honor of Remembrance Day. And this is from a YouTube video that I found by Emma Lefebvre. And I'm not sure if I'm saying her name right. But this is my first time doing actual watercolor painting in 18 years, not counting the background for the Halloween picture. So I was really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks really nice. Like, I'm not an artist, I'm just learning, but I really love how translucent the petals look. And I just think it's so pretty, and I hope my camera's picking it up. I'll try to come a little bit closer so you can see the layers. So anyway, I will put a link to this girl's YouTube video if you want to try this for yourself. I don't know why it's looking crooked. I'm holding it directly up to the camera. I don't know. I'm having to hold this at an angle for it to look. I guess it's just because of where my camera is. But anyway, I thought that was really nice, and I really enjoyed doing that. And then I bought some alcohol markers, which I haven't even unboxed on the channel yet. So I'm not going to show them to you because you still have to see the unboxing. But because it is Remembrance Day, I wanted to try these out. So this isn't that great, you guys. Just remember, I'm not an artist. But I did this close-up of a poppy. And this is on marker paper. The other one was on watercolor paper. Watercolor paper has a green. It's rougher. And marker paper is smooth. But they're both thick papers. And I liked that it looked like it had a little plant in the middle. So I'll put the reference photo up so you can see how bad my sketch is. But this is with alcohol markers. And then I went over them a little bit with my Amazon Basics pencil crayons just to try to blend them a little bit better. But for my first time with alcohol markers, I think it was pretty good. So this is the Bianyo alcohol markers and the Amazon Basics. And this is a tutorial by the Frugal Crafter. And I'll put a link to her tutorial, and she is amazing. Her artwork is so good. So anyway, there's that. And then the last thing for November 11 is, this is my iPad. And hang on while I sign in. I was signed in, but I waited too long. So anyway, this is what I do my art on. Let me just tilt it upside down so I don't lose my pen. So this is my iPad, and then I have the Procreate app. You can see right here. Here's my gallery of artwork. I wanted to show you. This is my Remembrance Day. This is a field of poppies. So I hope it's showing up okay. You're probably getting the glare. So what I might do now is just switch to a photo. But let me just put this down for a minute. So this is really, I think it came out beautifully, and I'm so proud that I did this. So for those of you who don't know how it works on the iPad, let me just quickly show you. Let me just You go into here, you hit the plus sign, and then you pick what size photo you want. So let's just do 4x6. And then this pen is like magic. So let me just pick it up. In the corner, you touch this and you can get any color you want. You can have it in a circle like that. You can have classic colors, or you can move it around to pick your colors. I prefer the circle. So say I want a blue, and then you poke on the brush, and you can pick whatever brush you want. So right now it's just on Studio Pen. And then you can pick what size you want and how opaque you want it. So if I want a really big brush, and then you just draw on it. It's really cool. If you want to get rid of it, you just hit undo. And you can change colors. So there's just a silly little heart. But what's really cool, watch this. You can grab the color and just drop it and fill it. So it's just really, really cool. So if I wanted to do like, let's go to a gold. Let's just doodle some things. So there's a little star. So you can color it, or you can just fill it in. And there are so many different brushes that it's like, there's so many. And you can buy new brushes, but like there's sketching brushes. So here's a soft pastel brush. And there's painting brushes. Here's an oil paint brush. It's really big. Let's make it smaller. So there's so many things you can do. You can put everything on its own layer. So that's all on the same layer. But you can add a different layer. And there's just so much you can do. It's just a really, really cool program. So when I show you work on my iPad, I'm just painting with this kind of a pencil on this. And it's just so, so cool. I really love this a lot. Absolutely no mess. And it's so much fun. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And let's go back to my poppy field. And just in case the glare is too bad, I can just put a picture in here. But it always looks better on the iPad than it does anywhere else. Yeah, my overhead light is giving you a glare. But anyway, I'm so proud with how this turned out. All right, guys, so that is it. Here are my 3 poppy paintings that I did. Watercolor, alcohol marker, and digital on the iPad. So, and this was with a tutorial by James Julier. He has the best realistic art tutorials I've ever seen in my life. So if you just want realism, he's the guy to watch. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. It means the world to me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your comments. Which one of these is your favorite? The digital, the watercolor, or the marker? All right, guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.